It's a rainy day on the homestead on this Sunday afternoon, so since we can't do anything outside, we're going to finally plant our seeds that we've been meaning to do for the past couple of weekends, but have had other unexpected things come up first. So that's our plan for this Sunday.
Got 4 varieties of tomato, 2 hot peppers, jalapeno and an ancho, two types of sweet peppers, some herbs, cauliflower, and then we're going to start some sunflowers as well. So the trays we have are just standard seedling trays with a seedling starter in there. A little bit of water. Emma's a ham. Chick update, 3 weeks.
So the chicks are 3 weeks old today, and we currently have 18. We did end up losing 2 over the past several weeks. One was a little tiny peanut, and it didn't grow, and then one day we came down and it had passed, and then we had another chick that was growing just fine, but ended up having some kind of issue. We're not sure if it had wry neck or what ended up happening with it. We tried to nurse it back to health, but ultimately it ended up passing away. Now we've got 18 of these very lively little buggers. They love to fight, as you're getting to see right here. And when we're not down here, we have to keep a screen on top of them because they do try to jump up onto their water or feeders and escape. So they're very lively, as you can see, and they're doing really well. And they'll probably be going outside in, I don't know, maybe another couple weeks. Probably when the backyard dries out. It's pretty muddy out there right now.
These are the seed mats we use, made by a company called Pomelo. But we found them on Amazon, and they'll go under the seed trays to keep the seeds warm while they germinate. So everything's here on the heating mat. We'll turn these lights off. We don't need them right now until the sprouts come up. And we'll check in on these in a few days and see how things are starting to germinate.
So that's it for today, guys. We have a lot coming up as spring is approaching and summer. We did a big shop to Tractor Supply yesterday, and we got
all the things we need for the pig fence. We have a whole bunch of electric fencing that we're going to be putting up, and then an actual enclosure for the pigs, as well as a water and a feeder that I have to build.
So we're pretty excited about the little piglets coming along at some point, as well as our chicks continuing to grow, as well as our little chick Emma.
Guys, make sure you like this video and leave a comment down below, and subscribe as well. That way you can stay up to date on all the fun things we have going on the homestead. Bye!
Bye!